Good morning all and welcome by a new English vlog about my car. Yes, about my car. Because I got my license maybe 2 weeks ago. No, I got no, 2 weeks ago. Because I have a car for 1 week now. Yes, 2 weeks ago. And I thought an English vlog to show you guys. It's pretty sunny. So, but I have also a plan for today. I'm going to the city. Well, the point is it's gonna be busy because the Santa Claus is coming. It's the holy man who gives presents to children. It's just that. Nothing special. So that will make it a lot more busy on the traffic, as in traffic, but also everywhere. But that's okay. I want to visit I'm going to visit my buddy this afternoon. I said, hey, I got a car. I hop right next to you, or I come by. So that's the plan. I'll maybe gonna visit IKEA also today, and I'm gonna film my car for you guys, and I'm gonna clean up my camera mess. I've got literally two pens. But I'm gonna charge my GoPros, so 1 and 2 are ready for some car shot. I can do that for some car shots. I'm nice and clean and got my GoPro SSDs. Maybe I'm gonna buy a bag for my other GoPro and some SSDs. I can't really, well, I like though. I really can't put in my other bag. I have 2 camera bags. More, not 2. Look, but I've still got a mic, a tripod. Well, at least the tripod. This one I don't have to put somewhere. And I got a mic, windshield, headband, freeway, and an extra house backdoor thingy. I just want everything to take with me. Gonna look how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I don't a bag. I still have some bags. Try it out, but I don't know. So, and I'm back home. It's 1 o'clock. And I'm just came back from IKEA. Like I said, I wanna look only. What I did is buy. Well, oh fuck me. Oh. Oh wow, I've got unboxed too much. Well, that's not the biggest problem. I'm going, because I got 2 new case dingen, boxes dingen. But that's okay. I'm going to rebuild this again, because why not? And I'm going to make a time lapse of it. I'm just going to connect to my speaker. I can listen to music and give you guys a time lapse. One thing, thanks, not sure about how I style it. Maybe I will do it other sided otherwise, but the Vitrin, I stopped with it. Well, it was very stiff, if I say it correct. So, and I have throat and I've pushed and did many things to let it fit. I don't know why, but here my navigation system. Okay, that's very fine. I'm going to my body, so nothing to do now. I'm just gonna take a pee and go. And leaving the camera at home. It's okay. And my GoPro just fell, so I'm a little bit tired and pissed. And I'm home, guys. Well, I've been a couple of hours home. Been to my buddy. We drove with my car and his car, so it was very fun. And that was it. I didn't show my car, but I will show you guys tomorrow. Then, or at least later in the vlog. Well, yeah, that's good afternoon, guys. It's Sunday afternoon. So, wow, I'm a bit tired. Well, I woke up at night because I set my alarm, and I was still sleepy. I'm just lazy and tired, and well, to be honest, I added a bit on the video. Well, me driving, I did homework for school, so happy I'm finished with that. And now I'm going to finish my Vitrin closet. Well, guys, it's there. Thanks to my dad, who helped me, because I made some mistakes, and yesterday in my anger I smashed a throat right into it. But he fixed it with the little things. So it's there. The door is not... I know I'm not satisfied by the door. It's not good. But I will do it myself. And that's going to be the new project. I need to clean it and yeah, put my stuff in there. Till then I let it be for this. I'm going to clean up my room a bit. At least clean up my camera gear. I didn't film anymore today, and well, thank you guys for watching. So I can take this SD card and edit, and I need to charge some stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.